everyone in this tutorial, I'll show you how to import emails into Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. This can be useful when moving from another email application, restoring messages, or transferring existing mail data. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and make sure the application is installed and running correctly. Before importing anything, it's a good idea to keep a backup of your original email files. The exact import method depends on where your emails are coming from. If you're moving messages from another email application, Thunderbird may provide import tools or extensions that can help transfer the data. For email files stored in a supported format, open the appropriate import option and select the source of your messages. Next, choose the files or folders you want to import. Depending on the amount of email data, the process may take a few moments. If you're moving messages from another account, you can also add that account to Thunderbird and use folders to transfer or copy messages between accounts. Once the import begins, allow Thunderbird to complete the process without closing the application. Large email archives may take longer to process. After the import is finished, check your folders and search for a few messages to confirm that the emails were transferred successfully. You can then organize the imported messages into folders and manage them alongside your regular email. And that's how to import emails into Mozilla Thunderbird. Always keep a backup of important email data before starting a large transfer. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.